Brady 5 and his friends liked new arrivals and new engines, but not really about new coaches and goods cars. And every new line for the narrow gauge railway, Duncan or Millie do the tour of it. And new coaches have been arriving for the railway. And new goods cars for the narrow gauge railway have been arriving for a while as well. One day, Philip was just coming back from the mainland with a new coach. And everyone was excited about it. Alright everyone, you'll be able to sleep in this coach when this train heads to faraway places. What's this about a coach that you can sleep in? Well, Diesel, last year on Friday the 13th, after the killer attacked here, the Hospital Express was late to get the passengers to one of the stations. And with this brand new coach, the passengers will be able to sleep before they get there. Aren't there any other coaches where you can sleep in them? I'm afraid not, Diesel. I think this will be the only one for here. Oh. Alright, Philip, get that coach to this line where this train is at. Alright. So the train that was on that line had to get out of the way. And when Philip tried to get that coach into the station, it wouldn't fit through. Try again, Philip. Maybe it'll get through this time. Okay. As Philip tried again, the coach still wouldn't fit through. So if that coach can't fit through the station, then we must add more platform. Well, why don't we switch the coaches around? That might work. I don't think I would like it that way, Diesel. What? So we're adding more platform. Philip, I need you to fetch a flatbed of tools. Alright then. And Diesel, I need you to take those cars to the Sobeys in Burlington on the mainland. But why can't Nia do it? Because I sent her to bring passengers to the station where Millie is going to take a tour of the new narrow gauge line that just opened a while ago. Don't worry, Diesel. We'll think of a plan when you come back. Alright. I think Diesel's jealous about that coach. Yeah, he sure was jealous. It was late when Diesel got back from the mainland. So, what did I miss? Not much. Philip brought the flatbed of tools, and they're gonna work on the platform tomorrow. Oh, I see. So I think the plan is that we steal that coach and also a train. Okay, and what train are we gonna steal? I don't know. Then, Diesel 10 saw Brady 5. I wonder where Brady 5 is going. Well, maybe we should follow him. And if we follow him, we might find a train while we're following him. So Diesel and Diesel 10 set it off to follow Brady 5. And Brady 5 didn't know they were behind him. he led them to the museum. But he still didn't know they were behind him. He's heading to the museum. What is he going to be looking at? Well, let's just wait until he comes out. And then we'll see if there's a train in the museum. Alright. Soon, Brady 5 got out of the museum, and he was pretty tired. And he didn't even notice Diesel and Diesel 10. Wow, how did he not notice us? I don't know. Well, let's just find a train, and then we'll steal it. Alright. When they got inside, they found the Crocodile Locomotive. Ah, the Crocodile Locomotive! Come on, Diesel 10, we're stealing this train. So Diesel was coupled up to the Crocodile Locomotive, and he pulled it away. After they got it out of the museum, Diesel 10 was coupled to the front of the Crocodile Locomotive. Well, hopefully we can get it to Hogsford Yard before the others wake up. And I don't know why I brought the brake van with me. Well, it is midnight, and everyone should be asleep. So, let's just get the Crocodile Locomotive to Hogsford Yard. Alright. So they set it off back to Hogsford Yard with the Crocodile Locomotive. Soon, they got the Crocodile Locomotive to Hogsford Yard. Wow. What do we have here, guys? Well, we have the Crocodile Locomotive, Howie McQueen, and we have a plan. What's your plan, you two? Well, our plan is, well, we already stole the Crocodile Locomotive, and now we're stealing the new coach that arrived a while ago. Wow, I like that idea. I'm gonna go find Luna Girl. I think she might want to help with this. Alright. Soon, the plan was all set up. Alright, Luna Girl, so you're taking the Crocodile Locomotive and the double-decker coach to the mainland. And the brake van. Soon, Luna Girl took the Crocodile Locomotive, the double-decker coach, and the brake van to the mainland. Good luck, Luna Girl. Hopefully, the PJ Masses don't get you. Here. The next day, Brady found Bobby Swift and ready to head to the museum. Alright, Bobby. You ready to head to the museum? Yeah, I think I am, Brady Five. Alright, let's go. Alright then. When they got there, they decided to check out the Crocodile Locomotive first. But when they got there, the Crocodile Locomotive was not there. That's weird. It was here the last time I saw it last night. Maybe it had to go to somewhere for a while, Brady Five. I don't know, Bobby. I don't see a sign when it's gonna come back. Oh, you're right. There is no sign when it's gonna come back. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. As they were leaving the museum, they saw Luke, who was waiting at a station. What's the matter, you two? Well, Luke, when me and Bobby went to check out the Crocodile Locomotive at the museum, we realized it was gone. That's weird. It looks like the PJ Masses will have to figure this out. But we will have to wait until nighttime. Right, Luke? Yeah, we do have to wait until nighttime. As Luke was trying to find Connor, Greg, and Maya, he saw Duncan, who was looking at what was going on in Hogsford Yard. Is everything alright, Duncan? Well, Luke, that train over there is about to leave. And there's something wrong. What wrong? Look. So do you see what's wrong, Luke? That train doesn't have the double-decker coach behind it? Yes, that's what's wrong. Wow, looks like the PGMSs have another thing to figure out. What was the third thing they had to figure out? Who stole the Crocodile Locomotive? Wait, what? The Crocodile Locomotive was stolen? Yes, and Brady 5 said it wasn't there when he and Bobby visited the museum this morning. Oh, I see. Wait, shouldn't the train have the double-decker coach in the back? Yeah, it is supposed to have the double-decker coach in the back, Brady 5, but it's not behind the train. It must have been stolen like the Crocodile Locomotive. So, another thing the PJ Masters have to figure out? Yeah, you got that right, Bobby. Diesel 10, eh? I need you to head to the mainland. What? Me? Head to the mainland? Why? To get another double-decker coach for this train. And all the other engines can't find it. Well, it's on the mainland. Well, if it's on the mainland, you must get a new one. That coach will probably be never found again. But no buts. Go get another double-decker coach for this train. Fine. Well, that coach probably isn't too far away. It's probably on a branch line. While you're on the mainland, go get a Crocodile Locomotive too. Aaron Conductor? Not now, Diesel. I got some stuff I gotta figure out. But I'll make him want Diesel 10 to come back here. That night, Luke, Duncan, and Millie are ready to go meet up with the PG Masses. Alright guys, ready to go meet up with the PG Masses so that we can figure out who stole the Crocodile Locomotive and the double-decker coach? Yeah, you know we are, Luke. And Brady 5 and Bobby Swift should be on their way now. Yeah, and I believe this is the third time they meet up with us. Yeah, and the PJ Masses. Yeah, of course. Come on, guys. Let's go. And Brady 5 and Bobby Swift are ready to go meet up with the PJ Masses as well. Alright, Bobby. You ready to go meet up with the PJ Masses? Yeah, I am Brady 5. So they set it off to go meet up with the PJ Masses. So Luke, Duncan, and Millie were the first ones to arrive at the station. And Brady 5 and Bobby Swift were the last ones to arrive. Hey guys, glad we can all help you with this. And I believe this is the first time that me and Bobby Swift can arrive at a meeting like this.
Yeah, it sure is, chap. Even though you and Bobby did some rescues with us.
Yeah, we did. The last time me and Bobby did rescue you guys was in Florida, and we were stopping Piggy and the Cheer Girls from injuring favors and more. Yeah, and Lightning told me that Piggy and the Cheer Girls are still in jail. Yeah, in Florida, that's for sure. Yeah, and I think they'll be getting out of jail before the 2022-2023 school year starts. Yeah, that could be true, Bobby. Yeah, and everything. Well, come on, guys. Let's go find the Crocodile Locomotive and the double-decker coach. And it might take all night for us to find those. So they set it off to find them. Soon, they got to the bridge to the mainland, and they were still not really sure how long it would take to find the Crocodile Locomotive and the double-decker coach. Well, hopefully they're on one of the branch lines on the mainland. Yeah, like old branch lines or something. Well, come on, guys. Let's see what old branch line they're on. If they're on one. So they set it off to the mainland. After they got on the mainland, they found an old branch line right away. Wow, we found an old branch line fast. Yeah, there must be a lot of old branch lines on the mainland, Brady 5. Yeah, there must be, Luke. Well, we should probably see if the Crocodile Locomotive and the double-decker coach are on that line, guys. Yeah, good idea, Duncan. We should do that. Come on, guys. Let's go. Then, they found them. Wow, they're right here. I think we should be quiet, Brady 5, because the brake fan is sleeping. Oh, you're right, Luke. The brake fan is asleep. Well, we should probably see who's driving the Crocodile Locomotive, guys, without getting caught. Yeah, by the brake fan. Alright, let's go. But slowly. Okay, I think we're good. And now, let's see who's driving the Crocodile Locomotive.
Well, looks like Luna Girl is the one who stole the Crocodile Locomotive and the double-decker coach.
Ugh. What do you guys want? I'm trying to sleep.
Well, little girl, we're here to stop you because you stole the Crocodile Locomotive from the museum and the double-decker coach. Yeah, so you better make sure you get the Crocodile Locomotive back to the museum and the double-decker coach back to Hogsbury Yard.
Well, you guys will have to catch me if you can.
Uh-oh. Not again.
What? Hey, get back here! Soon, the chase was on. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get to the front so I can slow the train down. Soon, Brady 5 was in front of the Crocodile Locomotive. Alright, here we go. Oh, that hurt. Don't worry, Brady 5. Me, Tucker, and Millie will get to the other track. Well, hurry, because I'm a little loose right now. Don't worry, all of us are now coupled up now, so now we're gonna try to stop the train. Then there was trouble. Whoa! Whoa, no! You alright, Brady 5? Yeah, I'm alright. I'll catch up. Alright. Well, it's like it's your turn to be at the front, Bobby. Wait, I thought Brady 5 was at the front, and I'm supposed to make this brain fan come off the track! Oh, I got off the track. So, what happened to Brady 5? Why isn't he at the front? Well, he got turned, so that's why we need you at the front. Oh, okay, and I hope he's alright. Don't worry, he is. It looks like it's been raining here recently. Alright, after I got stuck in mud, let's go catch up to them. As Brady 5 was trying to catch up with the others, he felt like he couldn't catch up to them at all. Man, it feels like I can't find them. I know I can't be lost on the mainland, but let's hope I find them. Then, he saw Bobby Swift. Oh, Bobby! Oh, Brady 5, am I glad to see you? Glad to see you too, Bobby. So, why aren't you at the front of the train? Oh, I spun out like you did, Brady 5. Oh, I see. Well, let's hope the PJ Masses and the narrow gauge engines got them. Alright then. But they hadn't stopped the Crocodile Locomotive yet. What? Oh, come on! Ugh. Then there was trouble. Oh no, the double-decker coach derailed, and Gecko was on that coach. Wait, what? Gecko was on that coach? Oh, Brady 5, Bobby, glad to see you two. And you're right, the double-decker coach is off the track, and I think Gecko is down after that. Well, he'll have to go to the hospital after that, like Cowboy and Owlet last year. But then... Wait, what?
Don't worry guys. I used my super gecko muscles to get this coach back on its wheels. And now, I'm gonna get it back on the track.
Haha! Gecko's not down! Nice work, Gecko! Then, the Crocodile Locomotive started to go faster. Uh-oh, the Crocodile Locomotive's getting far away. Come on, guys, let's go. Since the Crocodile Locomotive was going so fast, little boy didn't know that the front wheels were derailed. Oh dear, we got a sharp turn coming up. I expect the train to crash. Well, hopefully none of us crash into it. The train was getting closer and closer to the next turn. Then, there was trouble. The train took the turn too fast and got derailed. 35, Bobby Swift, Luke, Duncan, and Millie stopped just in time. Well, little girl, you are lucky we were able to stop. But if we did crash into the Crocodile Locomotive, we would have been down.
Well, you guys got lucky there. And I'll get you guys one day.
We'll see about that, Luna Girl. So the double-decker coach was able to get coupled up to the Crocodile Locomotive again, and everyone else was asleep, except Brady 5, Duncan, and Greg. Well, glad we figured out who stole the Crocodile Locomotive and double-decker coach. And great job tonight, Greg. Yeah, we thought you were down, but you were able to get that coach back on the track.
Thanks guys. I appreciate it. And we should get that coach and Crocodile Locomotive back to Hogswart Yard first thing in the morning.
Well, it would be 10 o'clock by the time we get back to Hogswart Yard. Brave, that's right. We are pretty far away on the mainland. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure the Crocodile Locomotive will be back at the museum.
Well, let's just get some sleep. Good night, guys.
Good night, Greg. Good night. The next day, they were ready to head back to Hogford Yard. Alright guys, you ready to get the double-decker coach and Crocodile Locomotive back to Hogford Yard? Yep, I think we are, Brave 5. But the Crocodile Locomotive is going to be back at the museum, right? Yeah, I think they're going to do that, Luke. Now, who's going to be driving the Crocodile Locomotive? Because we got the Crocodile Locomotive right there, and we have the double-decker coach right there. And it'll be like the Crocodile Locomotive is facing backwards. Yeah, we're going to have to figure that out. Meanwhile, Diesel is still trying to figure out a way how to get Diesel 10 back to Hogford Yard. He still can't think how to get Diesel 10 back here. He's probably still looking for another Crocodile Locomotive and double-decker coach. Then, he noticed a coach. Ah, that coach should help Diesel 10 get back here. Look, I know your son's excited about riding the new double-decker coach. Don't worry, we'll have it back here in no time. Man, when is Diesel ever gonna come back with a new one? And a Crocodile Locomotive. You want that train's coach back? Take it! Now Diesel take and come back, right? Wrong. That's not the coach. Then have more coaches. I got plenty of them. You barely do any work around here, Diesel. All you do is just sit in the shed all day. And I can't stop thinking about Diesel 10 stealing that coach yesterday. Listen, you stupid angry conductor. Luna Girl was the one who stole that coach yesterday. And Diesel 10's been sent to the mainland to get a coach and a train for no reason. And you're not gonna bring it back home because of that stupid coach and that stupid train! Are those what you need back here? Ah, there's the double-decker coach. And I didn't know the Crocodile Locomotive was stolen. So, if they're back here, can Diesel 10 come back from the mainland now? Yeah, go find him and bring him back here. Alright. Well, it looks like you guys helped Philip get the Crocodile Locomotive and double-decker coach back here. Yeah, we were lucky Philip was around on the mainland. Did you send him somewhere last night? Oh, I sent him to, get a flatbed of more stuff for the, platform. Let me guess, because this coach wouldn't fit through the station? Yeah, and everything. And thanks for, getting the Crocodile Locomotive and double-decker coach back here. And Philip, I need you to take the Crocodile Locomotive back to the museum. Alright. Come on, guys. Let's help Philip get the Crocodile Locomotive back to the museum where it belongs. We're right behind you, Luke. And now let's get this double-decker coach coupled up to that train. Alright. Wait, where are the carriages? Huh? Diesel! Huh? Uh-oh. You get back here right now! Nia! After that Diesel! So Neo started to chase Diesel. And while Neo was chasing Diesel, Toby and Philip took the coaches to the works to be mended. And this train has to pull one coach while the other two coaches were getting repaired, which is the double-decker coach. Luckily, it can still take passengers to stations and people to faraway places.